It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Greetings. This is how we work from home. But guess what? I just want to hail you all up and let you know that I'm here to announce the winner of the Corona Carolina Challenge. Just want to say thank you to all of the contestants who put all of their creative energies together and they sent in their entries and they got all of their likes and I don't think they got many dislikes. So I want to big you up and bless you up. But let me tell you that the winner to the Corona Carolina Challenge is
Now, it should be no secret that I enter a lot of competitions. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. And I sometimes lose a lot of these competitions. And when I say a lot, I do mean a lot. But one thing that keeps me going is a quote by Winston Churchill, which says that success consists of going from failure to failure without a loss of enthusiasm. Yeah, big up Mr. Churchill. So sometimes when I think about giving up, I actually persist. And I do actually win some of these competitions. And this is what this video is about.
Persistence is to try throughout this precious time. You can't give up the fight. Just is the way to life. All when you down and in this chase, never let Babylon know you.
But let me tell you that the winner to the Corona Carolina Challenge is Marlon_Surplus Henry. He got all of 930 likes with IG and Facebook combined. Right? But guess what? Marlon_Surplus Henry wins for himself $25,000 in this time, as well as Strictly Roots Water, valued at $25,000, and this will be given to his favorite charity. So congratulations to Marlon_Surplus Henry. Guess what though?
Corona, you're bad. Bad like as oh Corona, you're bad. Swear to God, oh coronavirus so bad. That's why me turn on me heart stay far. Wash me on. Corona spread like bed. The whole world just afraid. Me have said so me prevent. Me not go be no weak face. So Corona, you're bad. Bad like as oh Corona, you're bad. Bad like as oh coronavirus bad. That's why me wear for me mask. You're bad. Bad like us.
Lift up my hands to the hills, I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Oh, 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 as far as I can. Oh, 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 as far as I can. Oh, 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 as far as I can. And oh, every morning I rise and stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to this. I'm blessed.
Today's lesson. What we're going to say when the phone rings? Digicel straight to win or
Together, straight to win with Digicel.
Digicel straight to win.
Digicel straight to win. Straight to win with Digicel. Straight to win with Digicel. Straight to win with Digicel.
Straight to win with Digicel. Digicel straight to win. Digicel straight to win?
Yes, Carla! You just made $50,000 because it's your Digicel!
Alright, calm down, Carla, calm down.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Just reach a cleaner and just realized I left my mask in the car, so yeah. Mask we are, mask up. Yeah, cleaner.
Sometimes I'm lost and far from home, but I'm far away. Follow my heart, I know I'll be found.
Yeah, so
Someday,
the lovely folks
while
from
I lost and
Cleaner Star and Digicel just blessed me up with or none of us supposed to give thanks. Yes, and just bless me up with a brand new Digicel flossing time later. Anyways, yeah, and I'll give my wife. So.
Lift up my hands to this, I'm blessed on
Alright, so thank you.
How we bat two hands in the air as far as I can.
Persistence is to try throughout this precious time. You can't give up the fight. Jah is the way to life.
More than a tie, more than a socks, more than a gold pen with a gold watch, more than cologne, more than a splash. Look how much glass cup in the whatnot. Me say more than a trophy, more than a plaque. Yo, my daddy deserve more than that. All when you have more, put more on that. Cause my daddy did do more than that. Growing up a school teacher was my daddy job, but my daddy did do more than that. Plumber, electrician, the carpenter. Me ear need for trim, me never go barber. Everything never easy enough, time it did rough. But daddy find a way, though the pay never enough. He never did leave when the going get tough. Cause him never want him little youth, them turn gruff. More than a tie, more than a socks, more than a gold pen with a gold watch, more than cologne, more than a splash. Look how much glass cup in the whatnot.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon, and I've done my best, so everything's alright inside. Oh, every morning, I rise and stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my hands to the hills, I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Oh, 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 oh. As far as I can. Oh, 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 oh. As far as I can. Oh, 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 oh. As far as I can. And oh, every morning I rise and stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my hands to this, I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh, listen. Sometimes I'm lost and far from home, but I found my way. I follow my heart, I know I'll be found. Someday one day. While I lost, I learned to live. What do you say?
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.